Makambo Ezeli Makambo Masaka kwani Masaka Mboto ekirigirwa gukujirwa Kakamega na aria gikundi kia siasa ba ODM batogretwe ni seneta wa Nairobi Edwin Sifuna kana mimi ndio Sifuna bairigiri kwethira bakianda itere kana kambe nteresha Kakamega na aria otsosi na orengo bashumiritie kumeneria kira bakuga akore na njama ya thirikari gutumira Bobo Borisi kwaragania mishamanio ya gikundi kia Sifuna inde mbitigiria twambiririe na yara tukubanganiritia na reo rithoretu arikianganga maturene gotigira ni kumurika dena gonto yara ya kwege onbeta wakabwe mutharimi monaniri wetu na njira ya mathithio ni Paul Gujiri. Thank you very much nonto bwago todura na gwitana batu ikinya gwa ikinya nto bwaku tugituika nyumba nteto ireri na gweta kadetune ka Amero kuma kireni kirewe. Thank you very much na rweri juma ya tariki 20 mweri jua ile 2026 todingatera kire mitandao ya Kenya Facebook at Meru TV Kenya na akire YouTube at Meru TV Kenya turi live etambererie na mantoigi ogima bore otonga nare nyuma ya gikundi kia mandaktari bare arigitani kaunti ya Meru kuruta mukana kire thirikari mutumanto ethinge mukana jwa mathaa 48 kana bambirie mugomo baike mathaga jango gende na ndia bisabanene kire thirikari Meru ni baitite garone na atongeria bagikundi kia mandaktari gushwantaira ya mathina yara yokitwe ni mandaktari gushwantaira amu
thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru gukurukira murungamiri wa Ritingugi obichini ya gavana Julius Mbijewe o amwe na waziri wa gima bwa mwiri Dennis Mugambi na arwani bethiritwo na gikaro na arigitani bwa gima bwa mwiri kiri guchwira ntaira mathina jabarumirite jara jabara baikirite kurita mukana ja gwita mugomo muno gwitithwa ngathi kwa mandagitari
tukumba kwithirwa tukigwatanira jontu kwina gatuma bararinga kidogo ni gatuma kawijo ntu tukuberesa antu baraba apply tengogiji baba ingi na irazima county public service board ringi kwamba gukara kenda yomba gutega barugeria chionde omuntu kenda kwithwa kwina yento twita fairness oto kwaria na tukwithirwa tukugwatanira na tugibendere gwitangugishi bitari na tutuendeje tumbikwithirwa itukumba kuendelea kubagwatira na onde waziri wao wogima wa mwiri bamenya ati ndari umwe wao kagita karanda atongeretie kiama kwou manto ya promotion na ya gwitithwa nkathi manto ya daraja nkorone kwa
public service board ni a flotre kana ni tangazire manto ya antu kuandikwa na antu ba dhidi applications ni chide nyingi sana ndo gutuka for example gitwanya twatwario igana 45 kiro ugimo mwiri applications ya ringi 21,000 so ijidukitie gitarira ya of course no to the numbers kumba kuvidia long listing short listing kenda ya ukinya interviews so twera university bemba kwithira bali baitaterete so that tumba kubana report within a week ala twakinyira mantu ya ujegi mantu ya employment because no mugato information according by the service board irego chairman next week bondi na chairman for that purpose
na kirinta to igene na ushino kwa mbetikanero ya bia mandagitari ya county ya Meru.
So far governor has done a lot na as a county government of Meru na tukethira agitwa akeja na date when we will be signing the collective bargaining agreement. Number 2 about the recognition agreement ilatoga neo the union ya mona na wa legal team bagakara ndiguru bategategere bona issues by not any pending issues kana any issues ila bakuona china utata kilima that agreement that document mbere yumba kwa signed then kenda go back after that it will be signed.
Kuruki Mbijewe aruga thirikari ya mutumanto ethingia ni ishitanite kwagirithia utungata bwa Ritingugi ba Meru ni kenda bakaomba gutungatira mwingi
tiyo turauga kwijo tukurega najo kana tukwenda najo nonto yonde ije kimeden from fano bogite mamto promotion twachikira bauga kwina upungufu bwantu na ara gikuritango ginara twekera kiri employment yes no kureme gukinya namba ziri kwendekana nonto nakunya kwina mantu ya finances mbeti iri yori ingana atira cyumba kwandikana keri promotion no gutiko turamba kwandika promotion yonde ole kwendekana nonto bona mbasi pole pole na be na point nonto bamuba ta promote myaka 10. So even as a new government, in 9 months, kumba kudhidi ngugi witali terwe promotion for 10 years, timanto ya muchedo. Nani antubaba ingi.
Tuto kwejaja mieri 13. Ito edhere aliti bangu baba ingi mono be demoralize. Kana batena inye witanguge na kuena staff shortage jonto aliti bangu ebogi maumwiri bali bako da mamiro yonto botrikali ira chiareo. Na to kweja to a priority manto jau. Na Governor Isaac Mutumen to think yamba kuedra anto magana jana ja 50 barabatari na baruga cha promotion yamba ko banenkera
ki report na Meru TV kuma gishigo bunge kya Northimenti Beta Mutugi Wakiambi
na kio gikundi kia akoro kumanteresia mashaka ni wadini ya keberesia jombunge kia bore ni bashumiritie bari na kiriro na gokaya ni kuinyeleka kiuchumi bakiuria thirikari kuongela mbesha ira itengeri anto bara akoro nkirokini boritie thirikari ya Meru gotigira ni gotegera tubara akoro na ridoria ethaga na njira inya yabo kubakinyeria iri bya musanda ire njira ya kubaringa njeki kiuchumi ripoti ya mwende Olaiboni.
Anto bara akoro kuma mutayo machaka kibereche bore ni basiumirite gutariria mathina kathomba yaraba kulukira urio wagibobia kurano ntoborio warera ringite araba gitariria bamombo bakwa ni bakinyethetie miaka kuria mbeca cio kurwende bationa no mbiburu
nino ntuturio tutega kuruma ya ndi na miaka 12 kari ndenja ni ndaciajirwi mugongo maguru ito na roji na ruga tugura wo mutungi shilingi 5 na no tukagura mutungi shilingi 5 ugichiona ithine nene muno na tutemiunda na aja ira wani kweya no muito na tutemi okethira utikuona mbeca cia gwita kuria ikundi ri nyo tejuona impeja wangiri ijere endi iteo ikinyaga no to nicio bia kuria cio bia kunywa ankuromba thirikari ituongere mbeca ici
kwarire kinya bia kuria tutikuona ya batu na nde twonju tutikumba kwigirire nyaruko kanatia kinya bara bae ya wangiri ijere ira bati uciona thai na kinya nyaba utwie ito kinyetie miaka na thirikari ne turikane gutuyokia kinya twie bati kwithwa ndi sene thirikari nkona akira bange bonaga
miunda tutimiunda na kinya kara withirwo ona ko nukone kurarire gutikyo giku no ndi tiwirigirwo twinabu
kulukine bakuromba thirikari nene amona thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru tonyera no batethia no na irio bya musanda ke
musanda kediri yo kinyete twaromba thirikari tutegere antu ba Masaka tutekeje gwitwa nyomba nonto bwa Mpara bakiga gwa twina Mpara na bare go turikana
musanda yo kwejanwa twina aja buri jo takinya kinya jujo kwa kinya twakathanga imono na twakuminya murungu no tubo twika iko ibaba ingi mono bakurara nya na Mpara
Ndorothe Kaimure ni murungamiri we kundi kia antu ba kuru Machaka
twiromba muntu unde wa wendi wega na ari ari na tegere kuru baba Machaka jaza no ntoja ukugwe nya ibaruga bitingana ko no ntumiunda yonde ne omire inya antu baba ethe bongo tengo gebeni otha ici na nteto no chingie inyingi mono gukurukira kiangazi kia squatene aza ibe ya batutegere tha ici mbere bateja gutirita mirimu and depression mirimu Mpara na mirimu ethene inyingi sana no ntoni nyintongeretie kundi ke imbize thina cie kuru na kuru no tukuria kuru nyabate kumba kuma nyomba tha ici kwa mbere muntu na inyeretwe ni ukuru kurungi inyeretwe Mpara zeze na thina inyingi niro cingigarira bona riwa rieze batake gikundi ke giantu magana zaire na bangi bare inya chiere bo bena na bao na banye bote ba uchiumba na muchiere menya getarumia mwana o me atika kwira kamenya mantu jangi na ngina gatuta uenga no te utethio bungiena
Kiripotera Meru TV kuma bora mbeta wa mwende Olaiboni
orira muthutira jo mwangi jo gisiasa ajutite na mbere kongeleka ngurumanio igita na mbere guchacha nande mutongeria wa NCIC erore rwangi rwa gutigira thiri ni gwekwa mkire mugongo nayo matemo ya gisiasa ya kwarwa ilengone bya gisiasa te ya kunyogoria thiri niwe Daniel Mutegi igiti anagite mukataba na na Chuka University iri njira ya gutigira kuri na thiri ya mugongo otaburia Ndagara waiguna agutariria
Kereka gitaga China kandarasi ya kurutaniria wira mantoni maiya kwa igathiri na cukuru ya Chuka University munene wa NCC Kenya Daniel Mutegigite ugite kandarasi ene gatetheria na mantoni maiya thiri kiri university na manto mange kathomba
to formalize our memorandum of understanding with the Chuka University on the establishment of Peace and Cohesion Institute and the Center for the university now, that will work to do a lot of research, to do capacity building, skilling, and issues of environment and peace. And we are very happy because the university itself is set in a peaceful environment. It has all the trees, all the tree species. Even the design and the layout of the university is such a way that it promotes peace and cohesion. Even walking around the university from the management to the lowest level, we have seen a lot of compliance with the ethnic and diversity required for universities. So this is the ideal university to continue to do more research on peace, cohesion and integration because of its location and also because of its community outreach programs that are very important for national healing, reconciliation and peace building.
Today I'm delighted to have NCIC formalize our relationship with them through a memorandum of understanding. I am particularly happy, having been previously the director of Wangari Maathai Institute for Peace and Environmental Studies, to have this Peace Center for capacity building on behalf of NCIC being hosted by the Faculty of Environment in Chuka.
Nwakere Vestanchara wa University ya Chuka Professor ya Mutembei na kadherete ntoboba kugibwa keguning.
Chuka, we are deliberate. We integrate every Kenyan in every decision that we are doing here, so that everybody sees this is a public institution, is a Kenyan institution that should embrace our diversity, our culture and freedom of our thought. In this way, I am hoping one day we shall have this center we are creating today, bringing even the wazee wa Njorincheke, wazee wa Kikuyu, wazee wa Kaya, wazee wote tunakaa pamoja, tunaona vile maisha inapaswa kuwa na kuendanisha pamoja. We respect the culture of everybody, but also we integrate each other.
Core is that as we go to 2027, we want to urge and request that all the leaders, whether political or any other shade, whether religious or economic, to be able to desist from any utterances that may cause division, hatred, and discrimination or prejudice against any region, against any person, against any gender. And we are saying that as a commission, though we do not have the commissioners now, but we are investigating all these cases. Some of them we are taking the route of mediation, trying to engage the perpetrators and trying to explain to them the consequences of their actions. And once we are satisfied that they can be taken to court, we shall be filing the same in court.
I would like all of us to be able to promote peace, tolerate each other, and embrace the other. If I'm coming to office, you don't have to change people. Just train these people to work with you. They don't have to be merus with me. They don't have to be my brother here going and you embrace everybody to work together. I am proud. This is what we are doing in Chuka, and we are walking the talks and walks of peace for the country.
On behalf of
the 27,000 students of Chuka University, we are very grateful Dr. Gete for choosing Chuka University as one of the universities to collaborate with. Let me say on behalf of my COSA leaders and each and everyone in this university, we are very ready to work with you as student leaders, and we are very ready to collaborate with you even as administration.
aikinyitie aja kaunti-ini ya Meru mwandĩkĩkĩra rwang'i rwa kũrũngamĩra TVET aja Nthĩgũrũ Nesta Mworia na ariũngĩte cukuru ya Meru National Polytechnic gũtegera mũrandi jwa waki bwa irasi bia ũrutani bwa kosi cia njara mũrandi jwa thirikari nene.
We are happy especially with the both the levels and the excellence of the work getting done here. It is very good standards, and personally and with my team we are very happy. Meru National Polytechnic and the East Trip project is going to contribute to the TVET space in two major ways. One, we have got the Center of Excellence in Training, because already as the construction work is going on, we have our students here absolutely, because we are determined to train our students practically. We want them to train in industry, and this is one of the industries in which they are training, because we no longer want to train our students in those temporary spaces in civil and building, which they know will be bomolewed. We want them to be in real sites like this one, because that also works on their minds, because they know the work they are doing is serious work.
Uringana na Mworia mwaka ũcio jũra jũkinyanĩtwo gĩcunjĩ kĩa 70 na jwĩrĩgĩrĩire kũthirĩkĩra mbere ya Julai mwaka-inĩ jũjũ jũgateithĩrĩria anene aritũ na otea kwĩthĩra baingĩ bao ibakũewa kĩbarũa kĩrĩ mwaka jũjũ.
We are not only training our students with the trainers in the institution, but we are training them with the professionals, the architects, the masons, everybody, the electricians, the plumbers who are on site. They are also training our students, which is very good for us, because we are determined to bring industry pragmatically into TVET, so that we are not sending our students in the near future to the industries to go and learn there. We want the industries with us. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the difference, is the only missing link in training between the developed world and ourselves. I was in Malaysia the whole of last week, and I can tell you unequivocally that the only link that we are missing to be training like Malaysia or even Singapore, because I also passed through Singapore, is that they have industries in the institutions.
Nĩ arankũrũki Mworia augĩte thirikari nĩ gũcitanĩria anene kwagĩrithia gĩthomo kĩa ũbundi na otea aja Nthĩgũrũ ne.
Technical training in Kenya is no longer going to be seen as second space, but it's going to be our first choice for the first choice for our young people. We want to transform this space to the first choice for our young people. So we want to assure our young people that we are not only making a very nice place for them to come and train, but we also want to tell them that the level of training is going to be like in any other country in this world.
Kiripotera Meru TV kuma gĩcigo bunge kĩa North Imenti, Mbita Mutugi wa Kiambi.
Ni Matheta Muthuro na kururia matakwa kari kuma Ndamene ni gĩcigo mbunge kĩa South Imenti ĩrĩ wadi-inĩ ya Mũtungu na arĩa bacumirĩtie kũlalamika nĩ kũthũkanga kwa barabara ciao. Kĩara bakĩolotera MCA Evans Mawĩra Karia nĩ kĩra bakuga nĩ kũmama ngogene ningi bakĩũria ngabana Mũtumanto Ethinge gũtigĩra kwĩna mirandi ya wĩtina mbere matũrene ntere icia Mũtungu. Ripoti ya Jeff Wagĩtuma.
Nabo akariba ntura ya Ndamene location nirere wandine ya Mitungu South Imenti ni baumirite na kuthumbia bunene MCA wao Evans Mawĩra Karia na Governor Reverend Mũtumanto Ethinge ni untu bakubathondekera barabara uria gutibaterie. Nkurukia karibaba ni baugite na aria bethirite baithondekerete na gwikira barabara ciao maiga maragita ja county ni jejite na ja kondorio maiga jau na nandi into biao bia munda bitethira bigikinya thokone matanta jambura jakaringa Nthĩgũrũ.
Kanthori mono imwesimiwa wetu ura twamuthurire na wendo tumwendete, lakini mantu jaria tuthithiritie na aja gikumbo imantu jatiomba gwetekereka.
Ndiuria atiri ni ata twenjirwa njira tukwenjirwa njira na ndi atuika tutikirwa njira maandiko njira ici gukeja kura batu turendia bamarigo turendia beria tutimenya inya kuma rautingari noe mwe mweshimiwa imenya gutonya njira ne yumagara kuringana na ora njira ewe kari
kajira kai tukurio tha kureje tuthukiria kaigo tuthondekera nento kwijo turimira na njira cia tugukeja kura janarua njira icio tutona gwitira nonto bwantaka inya narak nento mbere na kwena ibari biraro na nyito achangite mbeca twekera kwari waste nirejere yegerwa yonde kibari gatigora kiratwire tukara twitindoroka gutendera au antu bakiunikangaira maguru au turura ni urendete kwijogo tuthangike gakurejito tutethia kike kiurekera nkwenda kuria
nerinde kwithwa niguo ketho kariucu kaba inya njira eu itindire maburu gakara mweshimiwa no ntwigita riria ethiritie kariu ituraumagaraga na nandi tutiumara
nkurukia karibaba ni boritie gavana Reverend Mutuma Ntoithinkia kethira kiria mukandarathi witite ngugi guntu guku na kuga kinya ni bakwenda gutarirwa mbeca cia barabara ura citumiri guntu guku
jakari njereje ejenithwe ekirwa kware ndasti na mbesa kethira batere i contractor barabara njerene bakaregwa batoto thithiretie njira
Woni nkuge keja kwithurwa mbeca ijitiritwe kabisa burubo na ngabana ikariwa mwanka babara ichiambe cia Kamparesti nikenda mbeca uchiriwa babara ethitwe no ntuwona ciariwa babara ijitithithwa na gekoriria no nturaiti nao kiragita ikiretire goro
ingwete kiki njere keja kuja kore muciaro ketiri andi mbeca cia andiko inacietete bati tutukone nyatu agitutanya tutungana ndo jamuringi okura kana mukario mitongo wandi
na nde tuliuria kambechira ciarukitiritwe njira ichi thithwari kayetu itinacio kana ne atagukari
ni arabakirikiria baugite baejene ntuku 14 barabara ciao cithire cigikirwa maandiko na kethira batithira bakuthondekerwa bakathithia maandamano ja manene monko obisine cia thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru
nyuma ya ntuku 14 etho otejo thikira kiriro kia bautwi batu tukamenyora tukathithia twina uweza bwa kwandamana twitinya county assembly turia kethira gagutina uweza bwa bautu kuthwa twithiritwe njira ici kana kethira kababara ici tutibatere kuthwa tukiumaragia nayo marigo kana gatutaringire kura ja bangi twirwe ne atia kana wije wengwo twire ne antu bara watumire beja kurita ngugi ici baregete kuritora kubati umenyora gugakara no ntu mwankira u na ndi batu tukuona mbura ya ura tutiumire kethwa rithi na buru
kana tomutatere na ndira ate kwenda tomutatere neze atothithiria kajira jakareko jakaukange kakareu gatonya bikibiki ciana betu batiga kugojaga njerene ngare cia twitiga kugeta atia kure maira area retu ritiga kugeta atia wetekaga
ito mwantu ko 14 cia kuja gutwikira kajira kambio ntuko 14 cia kuja twikira kajira kambio kwa rosti kama sivyo aenda nyumbani pamoja na ngabana noe ntumo atumukinyerie atume si nyomera atume minister wa rules ejo kethira andi kwa chikairo njire ne cio to nyanja ciantu kana ikairo njire ne re batere na kujangi na jangi tuije nyontu ngari ya ciari cigeturwa njire ne ingari akuo magana jana ituije ibaiyete ngari bateturite getumikajira karejera geturwa ngari imwe kagwiturwa ngari imwe ingi yaturwa muthia na ara mwecimu agakurukirwe ero hata hii barabara tuliweka kwale west
kiripotera Meru TV Mbita Jeff Wagitumam
tetegere mbumburano ya giti kia mujumbe wa Ekuru kaunti ya Meru niwe women rep enaria ni ugambuge aria mbarie athingati ba ikundi biele biabara bakumeria matagiti kia mujumbe wa Ekuru kaunti ya Meru ni gikundi kirakire athingati ba Florence Kajuju bara ba shumeretie kumeneria ninge kutharikira uranwe akumeria gitike Felicity Nkirote Berere ne kira kuwa kore propaganda kana ngutonderi itina ikinyero igutambua kire mitandaone ya kinande ira itumete kuma kire Florence Kajuju ne riboti gutarirwa ne mutuge okiambi
kuburomba gwitikania unirwari wone mtora akaomba kuendelea urane inya capacity ya kuomba kwethirwa akiareria mantu yetu mbunge bwega ni Mheshimiwa Felicity Nkirote Mbiriri umuringire ni kura tariki 9 mweri wa 8.
Video ijire yonekete gutamba mitandao-ini itumite agwatimba ruba murwiri gite kia mabungo mwekuru aja kaunti-ini ya Meru Florence Kajuju baciumire na kumeneria kambi ya Felicity Nkirote Mbiriri bakimuria guchua propaganda ingi kwithira Kajuju arinde bene kire kithuruno kinene twitite
2022 rira Kajuju asupportaga Mbiriri na nuntu Kajuju asupportaga Mbiriri ni kwithirwa atarombaga gite gita riria ara support Mbiriri tiga kwa area Meru Kajuju na kuga na support ate kuromba kura ikaja kwithirwa ugo ati gintu kingi ukuona giotura batu wa Meru tigo tutera kanya
lakini Mbiriri wetha ici kakureto clip eu na ne gita amira tubwira i propaganda oira Mbiriri amenyeretie na ndeka tubwira Mheshimiwa Kajuju na jete with full swing ora akweja boromba ibwene na kuya tunisene twenu bokwana na gweta michemanione mwekoro na kwenda gucho bo mwagetekera kyawe ke wimende pito na gite watu aboromba kenda thirikiria ngugire we aitete era tigirite athathiria 2017 de umire
Amero atere na supporters ba Mheshimiwa Kajuju barabo kuringira Kajuju thimo Bukioragia boe moragia ne atanonto ara supportere Mbiriri nteto ichorongo clipu ne 2022 na Kajuju na kuromba kura romba kura ezete buru kuromba kura ndene Meru County kenda athirikiria ngugira atigirire na ire kethero itigiritwe ni mwekuru gwitwa Kairemia
uringana na tongeria baba inyaira Mbiriri gutumira gutambia propaganda mitandao-ini ni yabwirite gutumira kwarania mirandi ya kubitikira thirikari kwijaja kaunti-ini ya Meru kagitarari murungamiri wa Njukua Jan Thigurune
ugwe energy utumira thaici kugera to clip to egita to 2022 neo bati gutumira ukethera uri mwekuru mume neo bati gutumira ugwo keyo kiuga ndirabutirwa ngugi indi ndathithitie ndathithirie Meru ndandikithia ng'ania ndatethia fulani na narua antu bau ntethetie bakari bwega antu barambonetie uria nchuku cita ngugi bakari bwega
asa ndio geta mbunge tha icie na national parliament wata no witero asa ndie Mheshimiwa rira aragia mbunge na tetaire nyamira ito kwenda sauti kwa ire ya Meru Buruna ndira abo nya baba to support Mheshimiwa tafadhali to boromba bonjoeni to support Mheshimiwa kenda at least Meru yetu echokare yari mwakoro mujumbe ora twathurere ni utira ndona nyake ari ambunge
batu tukuigwa Meru County we are not well represented in the National Assembly no nto ugategera Kajuju rire ariku na to representaga bwega na kinyabo gatega ansand now to igwa Kajuju na to representaga bwega no tire auraga parliament thai ke giteke mwekuru tutige kawa Meru ja tweku na ndi tukugwa tunyonterete sauti yo ire Kajuju tukugwa tunyonterete otongeria bo Kajuju
kiripotera Meru TV kuma gicigo bunge kia North Imenti Mbita Mutugi wa Kiambi
niyo riboti ikethira tukinyiria muthia yara tukubanganiritia kiri metha ya nteto Meru TV. Thank you very much na ntuba gututhura na ntuba ku tugituika nyombe nteto iri negweta katetune ka Meru kuma kiri ni kiriwe na kimoni. Thank you very much. Bita wa kabwe mutharimi mwananirie wetu wa mathithio ni Paul Gujiri ukolwo gutuningatira kiri mitandao kina Facebook @Meru TV Kenya, YouTube @Meru TV Kenya. Kwenderea gita rirega.